When you get your Wrangler, one of the first things that you should do is ditch those halogen bulbs covering your Jeep and upgrade to some LEDs. These DV8 off-road LED Octagon taillights will be for the 07 to 18 JK owner looking to do just that by getting into something stylish and modern. These will also serve as a unique and very affordable replacement if you've managed to break a taillight on the trail. Not to mention, these will give your Jeep a stealthy look, and they really will make a difference for the rear end of your Wrangler. The install is a plug-and-play job, so it gets a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me, and we'll show you how to do the install in just a moment. As soon as you look at these lights, you can tell that they are a huge upgrade from the factory incandescent bulbs and the plain housing, both in brightness and looks. These come with an eye-catching smoked lens and a satin black housing, which is going to leave your Jeep looking sleek. The LED lights offer a major upgrade in lighting and brightness over the factory halogen bulbs, and even though the housing looks very dark, these are going to shine through because of the strength of the LEDs. What I really like about these taillights is that they're different from the traditional LED taillight. Most usually consist of columns of bulbs and reflectors stacked up on top of each other, but these have a fiber optic type Octagon inlay in the inside of the housing, making this unique and, in my opinion, a little bit more stylish. The housing is also shock-proof and vibration-proof, which helps keep the lights inside safe against any small hits when you're taking the Jeep out on the trail. Plug and play is always the way to go for convenience sake, and the back of these lights housing have a small hole for the wiring harness to come out that's going to serve some added protection for the lights inside. Like I said, these are one of the most affordable taillight options on the site right now, running you at around $160 for the pair. This is going to be very inexpensive compared to other name brand products like Recon that can jump up to $350 to $400. For the price that these are pretty good quality. They're not going to be the utmost quality like Recon or Axial, but they're going to get the job done at a very affordable price. There is an option very similar to this one by Raxium. However, when you do step on the brake, this taillight is going to light up the whole thing, as where to Raxium will not. The additional lighting will probably explain a little bit of jump in price as well. Nonetheless, I think that this is a great choice over some of the other options because these are very original, and I have not seen many with a distinct light pattern like this one. Like I mentioned before, this install is effortless and anybody could do it, so it gets a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and now we'll pull the Jeep in the shop and show you how these get bolted up.
We're going to start this install off with a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to remove the taillights. And we can remove the 2 screws on the inside of the taillight. And remove the taillight. Okay, we can push the tab in and remove our wiring harness and remove the taillight. Push down on the clip and remove the plug. With our old taillights removed, we can now install our new taillights. Plug our electrical connector in. And put the 2 Phillips head screws back in. Once you've tightened your last screw up, your installation is complete.
So if you're looking for a unique and very affordable way to upgrade your JK's taillights, DV8 has a great option for you. This is Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.